Here I am going to explain what you need to do for your Italian homework. So you're going to go on Google Class. Now she uploaded 3 files. One is the video explanation, one is the PowerPoint, and one is the work that you have to do. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is open the video and listen to the explanation. Now I am going to go to the PowerPoint myself with you, so I can explain. These are basically verbs in IRE that end in IRE. Now, what we're saying here basically is that when you have a verb that ends in ire, you always use the endings that are over here. So isko, ishi, isce, iamo, ite, and ishono. Or iskono, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. So when you have a word that ends with ire, you use these endings. You are going to open this on Google Classroom, and you have to open this Google form, and you have to fill it out. Now, I would keep the PowerPoint open so that you can check. So in the first example, Marco, preferire is the verb, andare a casa e venire con me. Now, preferire, it ends with ire, of course. So which ending are you going to choose? Who is the person talking to? You, because Marco, he's talking to Marco as if he was in front of him. So we have to use the word you. You have to use you. Not io, not lui, lei, not noi, not voi, not loro, but tu, which means you. So in this case, it would be ishi is the ending. So in this one, ishi is the ending, for example. Now, the second one, I'm going to do another one, and then you can do this on your own. So, gli studenti, bene l'italiano. Example, gli studenti, the students. We're saying we use, just a second, loro. Għax aħna tnajdu huma, l-studenti huma, loro. And it ends with ishono. So, we're going to go over here, which ends with ishono, iskono, this one. So, you're going to fill this in, and you're going to submit it. That's it. Okay.